guys. Toyota Seca 2000. It's an AE112R model Toyota Seca. Engine is a 7AF FE. So changing brake pad. So they got two this brake pad given to us because they reckon they got two different sizes, so they just give me both because I did not check the sizes. So safety, put it there. So I'm changing this one, so I'm just removing 14 mil inside. Just loosen the hydraulic hose so that it will not move freely. Caliper. I can move this thing away. Which size is that one? So I need to compare size. Let's see this one. The other one. I'll do this. Make sure which way it's coming. So now we need to check size. Okay. So see the size. Okay. So I think that's the one. Wash. See the bill one. Two size. So this is the wrong one. Put it, send it back using this one. Okay. Now it's still have enough meat. So that's a Bendix. They put a Bendix one on this one, so I'll put in a wash. Clean that with a brake cleaner. Cleaner. This the brake cleaner. you need to push that caliper. That's the main thing, you need to push that caliper piston. This is a special tool for that. To push that one back, this thing. Push it. So you see this? So this should be flush on this side. So this one, piston should be flush there. So that's the movement. So we need to push it back so that we can put the new one, or else will not fit. So you just need a brake. This is hydraulic. So you need to push it there. Oh. Make sure you don't have overfill there. See, it's coming from reservoir, it's just coming back there. Oops. So that's the one. So make sure this is still in order. See, so make sure this one's no leaks, or else will contaminate. You need to clean that as well. Everything, also we need, can hear squeaking, so you need to clean everything. Over there, so you need to clean it. So clean as much as you can. It's boot. Make sure this one as well is moving back in. Guys, so let's recap. So we're changing the brake pad. For any brake pad, I think this is the same procedure, just different tools that you need to do. You need to bring. So this is, so have a jack, trolley jack, and a stand, and you need a spreader. So this is the tools you need: is spreader, caliper spreader, or anything that will push back the piston that is being pushed forward. Oh, we got a socket or spanner. This is 14 mil. This particular job is for this thing, Toyota AE112R or Toyota Seca 2000, or in engine is 7AFE. So anything close to this model, this is your tools. So this pry bar is for removing this hub cover, so wheel cover, call it. And so that's for that one. Stay there. For the jack, so we need to check it. So we have access. Okay. So make sure you never use the jack as a stand. That's a different story. It's just unsafe. Put that thing. So you need to use a jack stand. Jack stand, not just jack stand, should be rated. Should have enough. Yeah. Enough, what do you call, weight to hold ton of vehicle. So it's also need anything. If you don't have see, this is a 21 mil socket, and I get throttle gun remove it. Okay. So we'll set aside. Save this one. I'll save to this one. I also put this as a jack. When it's come down with the jack, it will not fall. So we're removing this one. So make sure, yeah, removing this because I need a little leverage for moving caliper. So remove the hose, clip, could call it, and now I'm removing the upper caliper. This is tight. So, okay. That's it. Side. So I need to remove. So okay. I need to fiber. Move along. Okay. Okay. So now you got access to this one. Everything you must remember. How do you remove it so that they can put it back properly. Make sure if you don't remember, put somewhere in order. It's still not bad, but not changing it. So, oh yes, at least not bad. So same with the other one. So we need to push that one with this spreader. So, there's many sorts of spreader right there in the market. Okay, just choose the thing. So that's money wise. Oh, just whatever you need it. How do you need it? It's your choice. Choice of your tools is your choice. How much you can afford, or how often you use this. So make sure. Okay. So the job is done for him. But so the new caliper, brake cleaner. So what's a new one? So all stay there. Again, need to clean it. Everything need to be clean. Always. Clean it. So it's always they do it in the plant. It's very clean. So make sure to clean it properly. Just want to check this one. So if there's any moving parts, it's rubbing from a rubber, or anything that is not a metal to metal, I advise to use this ceramic lube. This is good for a non-metallic part rubbing together. So the use is okay. Already put this one the other side. This one. The grease. Much, it will just catch a lot of dirt in long run. So just put enough. This one as well. This is, look at this, it's still shiny, so that's what we want. We want it shiny and not rubbing. So we put lube. Make sure to get lube. Make sure that it's not rubbing metal to metal. So okay. It's too much. This one as well. This one as well. Now we got this spring. Make sure to put it back. Spring. Okay. Back. Now it's coming back. So that's it. That's changing the brake part, front brake part. Oh. Toyota Corolla. Thanks for watching. Find this thing interesting? Yeah, just leave a comment what I have done wrong. Let's learn together. Get this made the proper way, and then I show it to the others. Thanks.